If you're looking for the best websites to learn the Japanese online, then you should keep watching this video, because in this video I will be showing you 5 websites from where you can learn the Japanese. The first one is rocketlanguages.com. In this website you can learn other languages, but you need to select the Japanese from the main page, and then you will reach this page. The advantage of this website is that they have a very well structured and comprehensive lessons. Here you will also find the plenty of exercises and quizzes, and you will also find the interactive features and audios. But the disadvantage is that the pricing plan of this website is higher as compared to the other websites that I am going to show you, and therefore it is not suitable for the absolute beginners. The next website is JapanesePod101.com. This website is an ideal for those who wants to learn the Japanese through the audio and visual aids, because they have got a huge library of audio and video lessons. They have a huge collection of a material that covers the different levels of the language that you want to learn. One of the disadvantages that I would like to mention here is that some of the lessons are not available to the free users, so you can check out these details first before you join this website. If you want to learn the Japanese by playing the different games, then you should check out this website, which is lingodeer.com, because this website tries to teach you the Japanese language through the game-like interactive lessons. It is suitable for all levels. However, the disadvantage is that there is only a very limited content that is free, and there are some exercises which you might find repetitive in nature. MemRise is also one of the most popular language learning apps. Here you can also learn the Japanese. Most of the content that you would find on this website or app is user generated. One of the disadvantages is that you will find very limited grammar related explanation of the language, and that is why it is not recommended for the absolute beginners. The last website which I would like to show you is this one, difficult to pronounce. You can read the name here. Just add a .com with it, and you will reach this website. And as you can see here that apart from the other languages, you can learn the Japanese on this website. Mainly this website is audio based, and they have got a huge library of audios with the help of which you can learn the language. So the disadvantage for those who prefer the visual learning or the interactive learning, however, you should give it a try. Just go on to this website and look around. So if you find it interesting, you can join this website and start to learn this Japanese language. These were the 5 websites which I thought I should be sharing with you. If there are any you know that you should give those in the comment section for the others to take benefit from that. In any case, thanks for watching.